Okay, today is a good day. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today is an exciting one. Today is a good day. It's Friday, September 21st, 2018. And if you don't know already, today the new iPhones released, and you know your girl had to get her one. So I did not get the iPhone X when they released last year because I wanted the face detection and everything that came with it, but I am a plus girl. I love a big phone, so I did not want to get a smaller phone. I did not want to downgrade to a smaller phone. So I knew that they would make and release a iPhone X Plus basically. So I just plotted, planned, and waited. And now today is my day, and I got the iPhone XS Max. So that is what they're calling the X Plus basically. So I got it in the mail today. So I wanted to come on here and open it on camera because I'm excited, I'm hyped, and I also want to show whoever is watching this, in case you are thinking about if you should get the new XS Max or any of the new releases, but the XS Max to be specific, because that's the one that I got and that's the one that I'm going to show. If you're thinking about getting this, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like in person and, you know, with me, so you can decide if you want to go cop it or not. So let's just open this phone. I met my FedEx delivery guy at the door because I was excited. Like, I wanted my phone. I wanted to do this video and hurry up and open my phone so I can hurry up and have my phone. I was coming from campus, walking, you know, trying to figure out where's my phone, why hasn't it been out for delivery yet, and excuse me, I came around the corner and there was a FedEx truck right across the street from my house, but he was driving away, and I'm like, is he not delivering to my house? Like, I'm not getting my phone yet, like, what's going on? And he ended up like driving just a little bit more up and parking, and then coming out of the truck with this little box in his hand, and I just knew that it was my phone. And he was like, apartment A, and I'm like, yeah. So give me my phone, thank you. Yeah, I have my phone and I haven't opened it yet. Like, I came in here, I did a few things in my apartment, and I put on makeup for this video. I was really not about to put on makeup, I was just ready to open it, but I'm like, let me relax my soul and put on some makeup and do this video looking cute. So let's open this bad boy. Hold on. Okay. This is exciting. Hey. Oh, what's this stuff? I told my brother to activate my phone for me because we're both like on the same phone plan, so hopefully he did and I won't have to do this stuff. So here it is. Well, here's the box. it has the picture of the phone on the box now. Because remember, it used to be like just the white with the, you know, it used to be just a white box. So, and it used to say like iPhone on it or something like that. But I got the gold one, and this kind of looks like it's going to be like a bronzy gold, if you can see that reflection. But yeah, I got the 64 gig. And I am not a techie person whatsoever. You know, I just am up to, I don't know, I would say like medium level. Like, I'm not a tech person. I'm not about to be like, this has this gigabytes, megabytes, all of that stuff. So yeah, this is just a regular old gal. I don't know all the nitty gritty stuff. Anyway, let's just open this phone. Like, why do we keep talking all this nonsense? Let's take the top off. Design by oh my god! Oh my goodness! So like, my phone is just trying to break already. Ooh, they got a new paper on the this used to be like a clear paper on the charger box. Okay, stepping it up, Apple. I don't know why that's important or why I felt the need to say that, but yeah. This says designed by Apple in Cali. Everything is in California. Like, that's the place to be. So of course, let me just get the boring stuff out the way. Of course, the in the box is the charger, and the headphones are probably, why do you keep falling out? Like, oh, the headphones fell out. Headphones, I wish these came with the freaking wireless headphones. Like, this phone cost enough money to include the wireless headphones, but okay. I already got a glimpse of the phone because it fell out of the box. But yeah, okay, this is exciting. This is the phone. This is the front, you know, black regular, and this is the back. This gold, yeah, this is definitely like it's not like gold, it's like a bronzy gold, I would say, but it's so freaking cute. When I ordered it and I seen like the picture, I thought it was gonna be like a rose gold. I mean, I guess it's kind of like a rose gold, but like a cute rose gold. I don't like the rose gold that's like pinkish, that looks like rose, like pink. I don't like pink like that. So this is cute. I mean, the phone doesn't feel that big, but I mean, this is the comparison between the XS Max and the 7 Plus. So I feel like the 7 Plus still looks bigger. Like, can you tell? The 7 Plus still looks bigger, in my opinion. Maybe because they have the horizontal like camera back here, but it looks bigger. But this is cuter, and the screen is bigger, and it's just saying hello. And this is just very exciting. So I'm going to set up the phone with you guys, and I'm going to set up the face detection with you guys, and I'm going to try out the camera for you guys, just so you guys can see, you know, how the phone works, what is working with, you know, and so that helps you decide if you want to go out and get this SX Max. So first off, it's cute. It still feels kind of small in my hand. I don't know why, like, why I now need a bigger phone than this one, but you know, it's cute, it's a good size, and the gold is really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up with you guys. So I can't I don't think I can record the screen right now while it's setting up, but I'm gonna try my best to, you know, show you guys what's going on. And I'm going to show you guys the screen. I hope you guys can see. United States, you know, the regular stuff. Also, it says there's a quick start option, and if you have an iPhone or iPad running on iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Okay, so maybe I can set it up with my 7. I don't know how that works. It's close, but I don't know. I don't know if my phone, oh, here it is. This is my 7. And like the setup came up on there. So it's connecting. Maybe I should just get my face out of there so it stops focusing on my face. It says hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Yeah, got it. Put in the passcode. Oh, probably shouldn't show you that. Oh, okay, so now I'm going to set up Face ID, and I really want y'all to be able to see like what's going on, but I don't know how. Like, I don't know how to do that. Yeah, let me see real quick. Alright, this is real ratchet, but this is how we gonna set it up. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Set a Face ID, position your face within the frame. Can y'all see? And then just complete the circle. I want to choose another backup because I backed up my old phone on my laptop. Okay, so after, why don't this one got the bars? So after restoring it and everything, the phone is finally ready to use. So I will show you guys how pictures look and, you know, everything else. So this is definitely going to take some getting used to because everything is in different spots. But now all my apps are downloading. Okay, hold on. Now all my apps are downloading from my old phone. And this pretty much copied and pasted everything from my old phone because my background is still the same, my lock screen is still the same, and the order of my apps are still the same. So let's find the camera and look. My feet are so ugly, but the camera looks really good from first glance. And we can do portraits on the front camera now. Yes. So I'm gonna take a pic. Studio. Ooh. You can change the lighting. That's so lit. Let's take a peek. This isn't cute. But the quality of the pictures are really good. And yeah, I'm excited that you can use the portrait mode on the front camera now. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much all, I guess. So yeah, I opened my phone with you guys. I set up my phone, but I opened the phone with you guys. I set up the phone with you guys, and I showed you guys the camera. So I hope, you know, that's everything that you guys wanted to see in order to make your decision on if you wanted to get this phone or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My final thoughts on the phone is that I like it pretty much. I do wish it was a little bit bigger, because I don't know, I just like big things, you know. Bigger is better in my opinion. So yeah, it does feel kind of small compared to the Plus. So yeah, that's my only thing for it. I love the gold color, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a cute little phone, you know. So yeah, I think you guys should, if you are deciding or still debating on if you should get this, then I think it's a go. I think it's a good phone to get. So in my opinion, I think you should upgrade your device and get this XS Max. So yeah, that's everything for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have gotten any of the new iPhones that released this September. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.